Hello and welcome. It's your host Enika back with my third video submission for the G.I.Y challenge. Today I'm going to talk about some of the challenges I've faced while gardening on the third floor in my balcony area. Even though my garden is elevated, it didn't stop an infestation of caterpillars from wreaking havoc on my plants. I made the decision to switch from using pest spray oil and nimbicidin daily to just using regular water to water them. Unfortunately, this led to a caterpillar invasion that nearly demolished my factory. I had to resort to dead leafing, which is cutting away the dead and sick leaves to save what I could. It was a tough lesson learned. On a brighter note, I've started to get okra and my tomato plants are beginning to flower. So there's still a lot to look forward to in my garden. Thank you for watching and see you next time.